Hey guys, it's Will Cat here, and here's my other cat. I'm sorry, I haven't seen him in a while now. His name is Snowball. 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 No, Snowball. And yes, I got snow again. It's crappy out. Okay, Snowball, come on, face the camera. Everybody wants to see your face. There's Emma, as you can see, and there's Mittens. Let me, I'm sorry about that. So there's Emma, there's Mittens. There's Snowball. Snowball! You want a treat? Snowball. 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 He has nice little blue eyes. His eyes go diagonal for some reason. Look at, there he is. Come on, Snowball. Yeah. Snowball, get up here. Come on. 1 second. Snowball. Here. Snowball. You wanna be petted? Look. Sorry, I can't really control him that much. You see that house over there? 1 second. That house over there, that was his original owner. And then my neighbors, which that's where Brody lives. And then I want him. And my mom and dad are like, nah. So I think I'm gonna get him when I'm like 17. So yeah. Well, if you like the video, there's Snowball. There's a good